Hi.
Hi.
What's going on?
My tooth is loose. I want to take it out, but I won't. And I'm too scared.
Of what? Let me see your tooth.
Don't touch it.
I'm not.
Let me see it.
I could do it real fast.
Everybody
You want
can.
to tie a string and then we'll close the door real fast? Come on.
I'm too scared.
Oh, don't be scared. It might hurt a little bit, but it's not going to hurt very much. And then it's going to come out. Just do it real fast. Like a band-aid. Just pull it. Like that.
He doesn't want it and I don't want it.
Let me see.
It's my tooth.
Do it. Come here. Don't run away. Well, we'll continue.